Bro, what are you doing on the floor with a laptop?
Building my startup with Claude Code.
Wait, how you can afford Claude Code API pricing? It doesn't have a free tier. You can't even afford to rent a room. And isn't your laptop too old to run local models?
Running local models is for rich guys with Mac Studios. I'm routing Claude Code through Ollama to free cloud tiers.
Let me show you how to set this up, and let's dive in. Before we jump to the terminal, let's quickly understand how it works under the hood. Claude Code CLI by default talks directly to Anthropic's paid servers. However, it respects standard environment variables like Anthropic's base URL. And Ollama provides local, OpenAPI or Anthropic's compatible API endpoint. So, by simply changing base URL, we can redirect all Claude Code requests from Anthropic's to Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is, it's an open source tool which allows you to easily run, manage, and serve large language models on your machine or route them to endpoints. First of all, you need to install Ollama locally. You need to visit this website, ollama.com, and copy-paste this command. You need to paste it into the terminal and press enter. It will start downloading Ollama, and after that it will start installation. After downloading finished, it started to install Ollama, and after that it started. First, let's run model completely offline on our machine. After successful Ollama installation, you need to visit Ollama website again and write here a model which you want to run locally. For instance, I suggest you to use Gamma 4, and you can see this model supports tools, thinking, it has different amount of parameters, and it's quite a cool model. If you want to try it with Claude Code, we need to copy this command and paste it into the terminal. This one. And we need to select amount of parameters which we want to use in our local run. For instance, let's try E2B. It has 2 billion parameters, and I think it will work quite good on our local machine. So here we need to add colon E2B and press enter. It asks us for download permission. We say yes, and it starts pulling manifest and pulling model. It can take time because model is around 7 gigabytes. Now let's jump to VS Code with the same command. And let's take a look how many time it will take for our local model to implement Fibonacci calculator on my MacBook Pro with M1 CPU. Okay, you can see that I waited 2 minutes until model finished its task. It looks pretty solid, I can say. It ran on our Gamma 4 E2B locally. By the way, I can tell you that my laptop is pretty hot right now. If you have an old laptop or local models are not smart enough for you, you can use cloud models provided by Ollama, and they have a free tier, which is awesome. So let's repeat our test, but this time we will run this model on cloud. For this, we need to choose the Gamma 4 with cloud suffix. Let's go back to our terminal and let's run another session with cloud suffix. It asks us here about our email, so I will continue with Google. After successful load, it says that yeah, your device was successfully connected. And now you can see that you have free cloud usage on Ollama website. So going back to our terminal, we can see that right now our Claude Code session is working on Gamma 4 cloud model. Let's write the same question here. Before this, we need to delete previous implementation. Let's measure how many time it will take for the cloud model. Oh, really fast. So the only difference between local run and cloud run is here in the suffix. More information about different types of available models you can find on Ollama webpage. So which one should you choose? Use local Ollama if you need total privacy, working offline, and you have a decent GPU. Use Cloud Ollama if you have a weak machine or you need maximum coding intelligence. Both methods completely bypass Anthropic's subscription fees. All the comments and snippets are in the description below. Let me know which team you are, Team Local or Team Cloud. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more real-world AI engineering tips. See ya!